Okay, hi, this is Rick from Rick's Motorsport Electrics. We're talking connector maintenance, something that nobody ever does, but that's beside the point. We want you to do it and do it correctly, especially when you're changing a regulator or stator or anything like that. The reason we use a silicone grease or a dielectric grease in here is because we do not want to have the terminals corrode. So you don't need to fill the whole thing up, just put a little in the two connectors. You can use an acid brush to stick it down in there and everything. The reason you want to do this is you want to keep moisture out of the connector. Moisture causes corrosion, and the hotter it gets, then you just start getting melting and burning on a connector and get bad connections. So pretty easy to do this thing, and just do it. Your electrical system will love you for it.